we divide 509 by 2 in a long division method. 2 times 2 is 4. On subtracting it is 1. So we put down this 0 and it is 10. 2 times 5 is 10. On subtracting it is 0. Again we put down this 9 and 2 times 4 is 8. On subtracting it is 1. So now this 1 is less than 2 and there is no other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0 and 2 times 5 is 10. On subtracting it is 0. So 509 divided by 2 is 254 decimal 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.